Unity just changed the way Claude connects with the Unity editor. If you've been using the MCP server built into Unity's AI assistant, Unity is deprecating that. But MCP itself isn't going away. Instead, Unity is making that connection over the new Unity CLI. And if you use Claude Code, setting it up is ridiculously easy. The old workflow had the MCP server running through Unity Assistant package inside the editor. Now, Unity CLI has its own MCP server, which connects to the editor through Unity pipeline. Unity also added direct CLI commands for controlling the editor. So this looks like the direction they're heading going forward. The CLI is still experimental, so some of this still could change, but here's how easy the setup is right now. So open your Unity project in Claude Code Desktop, and instead of manually going through all the setup commands, just tell Claude, set up Unity CLI and the new Unity MCP integration for this project. That's basically it. Claude can install and configure what it needs for you. Once it's finished, restart Claude Code if needed, and open your project back up. Make sure Unity is open for this next step. Now let's make sure it's actually connected. Give Claude this prompt. Using the Unity integration, create a new cube in the currently open scene. Name it CLI MCP test, set its position to XYZ, and save the scene. And there it is. Claude is controlling the Unity editor through the new Unity CLI setup. So if you've been worried about Unity getting rid of the old MCP server, you don't need to stop using Claude in Unity. The connection is just moving to Unity CLI, and honestly, the new setup might actually be easier. If you want the full AI game dev workflow I use with Claude and Unity, there's a link in the description.